How's it going? I'm Kenny Mars with Ranger Tugs and Cutwater Boats. Today we're going to run through starting and stopping your propane cooktop and oven. So the first step is we're going to make sure the hose is hooked up to the bottle and the bottle is turned on. On your Ranger and Cutwater, you'll find both propane tanks located on the swim step, either in a hatch or in a fiberglass box. So the first step is we're going to hook up our bottle. You can see in the back you'll have two propane tanks. First thing we're going to do is make sure that our tank is hooked up to the hose. Now this is the one running inside to the oven. The secondary tank is a backup, or you can use it for a barbecue. Once we verify our hose is hooked up, we're going to go ahead and turn the bottle on. So once you have the valve open on the tank, you should see pressure register on the gauge. As you get down to 0, that's when you know you have an empty bottle. If you do run out of propane, all you have to do is shut the bottle you're hooked up to, disconnect the hose, bring it to the secondary bottle, and then open that up. Hooking up the hose, you'll want to make sure you don't cross thread the fittings and make sure it's hand tight. We have our hose hooked up firmly to the bottle is turned on, and we have pressure registering on the gauge. We're now going to go inside to turn on the solenoid. Our second step in the process is coming to the galley and turning on the propane valve. You'll notice you have one green light on at all times to indicate the valve is functioning. To cook, we're going to turn the valve on to allow the flow of propane to the oven. Step 3 in the process is going to be lighting the cooktop or oven. Once we're in the galley here, you're going to select whichever burner you'd like, press in and rotate, and you're going to continue to press in on that knob while hitting the ignite button. Once your burner lights, you can remove your hand and adjust the temperature accordingly. There's an illustration next to each knob that's going to correspond with each burner. On the far side, we're going to have our oven controls. So to light the oven, we're going to do the same steps. Press in and rotate, and then hit the exact same ignite button. Once the oven lights, you're going to continue to press in for a second or two, and then you can release that knob. Looking at our illustrations again, you also have a feature where you can use a broiler. So instead of going left or counterclockwise, we're going to press in and go clockwise, hitting the same igniter to light the broiler. Once you're done cooking, you're going to want to verify you have all knobs turned off for your cooktop and oven. Once that's done and you verified all 4 or 3 are in the off position, you can come back to your solenoid and make sure that is shut down. The last step in the process is going to be shutting down the bottle. You're going to make sure that you rotate the knob clockwise until it's snug. Thanks for watching this quick start video. We hope you guys enjoyed it.